Wait, where is my passport?
Check your jacket pocket, dear.
Oh, here it is.
1 bag, 2 bags. Is that all our luggage?
Yes, that's everything. Here is my passport, please.
Oh. Is my bag too heavy?
No, dear, it's just right.
Look, our boarding pass is ready.
Wonderful, let's go. Which line do we stand in?
This one is shorter. Let's go.
I need to take off my watch.
Me too.
Wait, is this the right gate?
Let me check the ticket. Yes, gate 12.
There it is. Gate 12, just ahead.
2 coffees, please. Thank you.
I love watching the planes outside. Like you, Grandma.
Listen, that's our flight.
Let's go board the plane. Here is our boarding pass.
Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight.
Is this seat 12A?
Yes. Right here, dear.
Look, we are taking off.
What a beautiful view.
Today we learned passport, luggage, check-in, scale, security, gate, boarding pass. Tell us in the comments.
Bye now.